Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see the making of a touch-free sanitizer dispenser. Okay, let us move to the video directly. Let us see the list of components that we are going to use in our sanitizer dispenser machine. This is the sanitizer dispenser cabinet bottom, this is the top, and this is the enclosure cap. This is the mounting hinges. This is the baseboard to mount the microcontroller PCB. And this is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the U clamp for solenoid valve, and this is the solenoid valve, and this is the solenoid valve tube. And let us see the potentiometer for varying the dispensing time, and this is the LED. These are all the mounting screws. And let us start the operation by putting holes in the cabinet initially. Okay, let's proceed with making holes for the potentiometer. Now I am just removing the extra dust made by the drilling machine, and I am just smoothing the holes to insert the potentiometer. And now let us add up a potentiometer nut to ensure its position. Let us tighten the potentiometer. You can also use cutting pliers to tighten the potentiometer. Don't tighten it rigidly, just have a normal tight. Now let us cut the extra length of the potentiometer so that we can insert the cap to its size. Now let us cut the extra length of the potentiometer lead. I am using surface mount cutter to cut the potentiometer extra lead. I am just cutting it average length so that I can connect the potentiometer cap to the potentiometer. You can also check the movement of potentiometer by varying the potentiometer clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, I have connected the power socket on the other end of the cabinet. As you can see, this is the power socket, and front I have connected the LED holder, and this is the potentiometer that we have connected earlier. And now let us connect the ultrasonic sensor with the microcontroller board. This is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the microcontroller board. In that you can see VCC to ground label. You need to connect in order from VCC to ground. Come, let us make a connection between ultrasonic sensor and microcontroller board. And now we have finished connecting the ultrasonic sensor with the microcontroller board. Now let us connect the potentiometer with the microcontroller board. And these 3 points are the potentiometer points. You will be having a 3 wires in potentiometer. 2 wire is red and center one is black. You need to connect the center one black to the potentiometer center point and the other 2 points to the other end in the microcontroller board. I'll show how to connect by this video. As you can see, I'm connecting the red color wire to one end of the microcontroller board. Now let us connect the second red color wire to the another end of the microcontroller board. Finally, let us connect the center black color wire from potentiometer to the center point of the microcontroller board. As you can see, we have connected ultrasonic sensor with microcontroller board, and we have connected potentiometer also with the microcontroller board. Now let us connect the power supply socket to the microcontroller board. In this power supply socket, you can see this terminal points. The longer one is positive one, and the shorter one will be the negative one. You must connect the positive one to the positive point of your microcontroller board and negative one to the negative point of the microcontroller board. This is the positive point and this is the negative point of this microcontroller board, which will be the 12 volt input supply. As you can see the labeling 12 volt plus and minus. I am using red color wire for giving a positive supply to the microcontroller board and black color wire to give the negative supply to the microcontroller board. Now we have finished connecting the power socket, potentiometer and ultrasonic sensor. Now we are going to connect this LED with this microcontroller board. We are going to heat this heat sleeve to make an insulation for LED legs. I am just heating this heat sleeve in order to make a perfect insulation for the LED. Now let us connect this LED with the microcontroller board. Here also I have used red color wire for positive and black color wire for negative. And this is the LED point in your microcontroller board. We are going to just connect this LED with the microcontroller board. This is the positive terminal and the black is the negative terminal. After finishing connection with the LED, let us connect the solenoid valve with this microcontroller board. And this is the solenoid valve which has two terminals. One is red color wire and another one is white color wire. We can connect both wires, that is red color wire and white color wire, in any points. You can swap wire also, and you can connect it in the terminals, because solenoid valve don't have any polarity, so you can connect by interchanging the wire also. Now we have made all the connections with the microcontroller board: LED connections, potentiometer connections, ultrasonic sensor connections, solenoid valve connections, and the power socket connections. Once we have completed by connecting all the connections with the microcontroller board, we just need to program the IC for this sanitizer dispenser machine. So I am just removing the IC, and I am just feeding the program inside the IC with my laptop. You don't have to worry about this programming block, since you will get the microcontroller board pre-programmed from ourselves. So you just connect all those hardware and you just make your sanitizer dispenser. And the PCB board that we supply will always consist of a microcontroller program, so you don't have to worry about the programming. Now I am going to insert the IC back to the microcontroller board, and let us proceed with the assembling block. Now let us connect the solenoid valve with the solenoid valve tube, and let's connect the solenoid valve to the dispenser body top. Finally, let us close this product top and bottom, and screw this product to complete this product. Now let us test the product for its functionality. I am inserting the DC socket to the power socket, and you can hear the beep sound. Once I place my hand near the sanitizer dispenser, you can hear the long beep sound. If I vary the potentiometer, you can see the time adjustment of the dispensing of the sanitizer dispenser. Finally, let us paste our brandings, and the sanitizer dispenser is ready to sell. Okay guys, let us test our sanitizer dispenser by using water, and by adjusting the variable pot, we'll test our sanitizer dispenser for its functionality. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech videos. Thank you.